Friends, I welcome you all in the session of English after Diwali vacation. There is a dilemma whether the school will start or not, but we have to continue with our work. So, I welcome you all in the session of English to you all, the students from the 9th class. Friends, we are going to learn the Unit 4 from the lesson, and before going to the unit, I would like to tell you something. That is our incredible India, or the unity in diversity, which is the main characteristic of the life of the Indian peoples. You know, India is a great country with its culture, heritage, the people, the race, the flora and fauna, the sea and mountain, the culture and the way, the language, the folk songs, folk dance, and each and everything. It is a very colorful country, and it has its rich but varied heritage. Friends, related with the culture and art, I feel very proud to tell you that the great people, they are born in the country and they put the culture of India at the peak of the nation. There are many artists, because art can be divided in the different way. Painting, music, dance, literature, sculpture, architecture. In this way we can classify it. Friends, you may heard the name of Raja Ravi Verma, the greatest artist which from the Kerala. The government of India gives the awards in his name, like Raja Ravi Verma. Or you may have seen the pictures of the Raja Ravi Verma at your home. The old goddess Lakshmi standing, the Saraswati playing on the veena. Very famous pictures of Raja Ravi Verma are there in the old houses. If you ask your parents or grandparents, they definitely show you the pictures of Raja Ravi Verma. So great he was because of his painting. Raja Ravi Verma, and many other names we will find in Maharashtra. S.M. Pandit, with the great paintings were created by S.M. Pandit. Many names we will find. One such a name which has the great culture in his own, because he was the artist of the different style, who received all the Padma awards in series, who learned in R. Vidarbha. It is a very good thing to proud him about, and who is the example of the Indian harmony or integrity of India, who received all the Padma awards in the series. Now, we will like to read the lesson of such a great man who was born in Madhya Pradesh, who took his education in the field of paintings in Vidarbha, who afterwards lived in France but received all the Padma awards. He was very lucky. So friends, we are going to learn the reading works of art, unit 4.2, reading works of art, Sayyid Haider Raza. Sayyid Haider Raza. Yes, Sayyid Haider Raza, page number 68. Yes, friends, now open your books on page number 68. Yes. Sayyid Haider Raza, popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes, striking colors combinations, captivating compositions. These are some of the characteristic features of his paintings. And so are the colors blue and orange. You will find them in almost all his paintings. None of his paintings depict lifelike human figures or copies of the scenes from his environment. His paintings belong to the abstract style of paintings. Such a paintings are not inspired by any external factor. They originate when the artist tries to peep into his own inner mind. They are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint, attractive colors combinations, achieving balance in some places and creating imbalance in other places. Yes. Now some new words here, friends. Renowned. Renowned. Renowned means famous. Renowned means famous. Suprasiddha in Marathi. Second is captivating. One such a new word is captivating. Captivating means fascinating. Fascinating, mohak in Marathi. New such a word, third one is characteristics, means typical. Typical in Marathi means having particular speciality, that is feature means important attraction, features, mukhya akarshan. Feature film, yes. Depict, yes, one such a word which you come across throughout the lesson is depict. To depict. To depict means represent in drawing. Here, represent in drawing. To show in the drawing, that is depict. Chitra rekhatne in Marathi. Environment, you know very well. Abstract, yes. Abstract means amurta. Amurta means separated from what is real, imaginary. It does not actually exist. That is abstract. To peep into is the phrase in the old pattern of English. To peep into means to see in the particular thing, to see in the particular thing in a particular way, peeping in, dokavane in Marathi, that is to peep into the past. Yes, yes friends, here are some new words for us in the first passage. Sayyid Haider Raza was popularly known as Raza, was a renowned Indian artist. Renowned Indian artist. Simple geometric shapes. You know, you are the students of maths, that is geometry. There are different shapes that you have to draw in the geometry. That simple geometric shapes, striking color. The color strikes the mind. The combination was very captivating, fascinating. These compositions are very fascinating, captivating to the eyes. They are some of the characteristic features of this Raja. These are the characteristic features of the Raja's painting. And at the same time, he used blue and orange colors specially. Different shades of blue, different shades of the orange. But particularly blue and orange, that was the speciality. Is any picture, you will go through the geometric figures, at the same time, along with the color. The speciality was the geometrical shapes and the color. Colors were blue and orange, and shapes were geometric figures. You will find them in almost all his paintings. None of his paintings depict lifelike human beings or the figures. He has never drawn the painting of human being or the human-like figures or copies of the senses from his environment, tree, animals, no, nothing. His paintings belong to the abstract style of painting. Abstract, I have explained the meaning. Amurta, which is not real, which is imaginary, which does not exist in real, that is Amurta. Yes. Such a painting are not inspired by any external factor. As the painting, you cannot compare this painting with any other situation, any other thing, any other place, any other time, and painting of any other person. No. Neither human being, nor animals, nor natural. It was abstract, means it was the thing which come to his mind from the bottom of his heart, and that imagination was put along with the brush on the canvas, and the painting was ready, called as abstract painting. Yes, they are made by arranging circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots in different compositions using effective techniques of applying paint. Attractive color combination. Color basically only two. One blue, second is orange. Achieving balance in some place and creating imbalance in another place. That is the speciality of the artist, friend. That is the speciality of the artist. That they put balance in a particular place in the picture. At the same time, they put that picture imbalance in another. That keeping imbalance in another situation is the speciality of the technique of the particular painters. Thank you.